Hi, I'm Ernesto Lomeli, and we're here at Canon Burbank. We're going to be looking at some shots from the Sumire lens test we just did. We ran through a bunch of focal lengths. So right here you're seeing the 85mm. And if you notice on that 85mm, the bokeh is literally warping around her. There's this like crazy amount of beautiful distortion. I haven't quite found this look in other lenses. It's this like match between like old and new. I really like that they flare easily, but one of the things that you can see is it's flaring, but it's holding information. You see in the veil that she's wearing, and as the light is passing through there, you can still make out detail. And if you look at the 8K file, you can still see tiny, tiny little lines of the fabric. That information is still there. It's not being blown out. It really made a difference having these lenses be so light because they balanced on that camera fully stripped down so easily. It didn't feel front heavy ever. One of my favorite things really is the focus curve on this, like that fall off. That's one of the biggest things that everybody's scared of in full frame, actually, is this like razor sharp focus plane that you have to just be hunting. And I found these to be really forgiving. So I have like her eyelashes and her pupils sharp, but I still see these beautiful freckles and like the top of her lip is still sharp, even though we're on an 85 wide open. I did fall in love with these lenses, and there's something special about some glass sometimes that just makes it your favorite. Everybody has that 50mm or that 85 that they know that when they shoot that portrait, it's going to be amazing and they're always going to get lucky with it. And I feel that that's what the 50 and 85 Sumire here are. The close focus is really generous and you're able to really fill a frame with a face. It feels three-dimensional, and once again, it's just holding this amazing amount of contrast and not distorting. You see the branch from the trees. You see this beautiful pink and blue flare on the sides. They're really forgiving for narrative work, for shooting faces. Oh, but that bokeh, look at it just go. Look at what it's doing with the palm fronds there. It's just, it's otherworldly. I'm really excited to get to take these out again and put them on a real job.